To change the resolution, right-click in your desktop anywhere that is empty and click Display Settings. Now, pay attention to screen resolution. Click here to show the options, and I suggest to use the recommended settings. Choose the resolution you want and click to keep the changes. After you change the resolution, it's very important to pay attention to scale and click the options and change the scale so that you can make it look better in your screen. Remember to always change the scale. This is how we change the resolution on Windows. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other tutorial you need? Tell me in the comments.